Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video and I'm here with another yogurt video. So right now I have some vanilla yogurt. Boom, this is the kind I have. I also have, I grabbed the wrong freaking cup. Now I have to do it over. I can't believe I just did that, and that was hot water too. Okay, so I got my yogurt. Trying to make this quick, y'all. Got my yogurt. It's a vanilla yogurt. It ain't Greek yogurt. It's just a creamy, non-fat yogurt. Boom. Now this is the cup. I have my walnuts, granola, and raisin crayons. I got some. Boom. This is the yogurt. And then I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of honey. Just a little tad. A little tad. That's it. Alright, let's enjoy our little morning breakfast parfait with walnuts, granola, and raisin crayons. Really good.